will I be deported if I leave an abusive spouse who got me a conditional green card? That's a very, very good question. So if you have a 2-year green card, right? So when you first get married, if you're married less than 2 years at the time they give you the green card, if you have a 2-year green card, you have to go back in 2 years and apply for a 10-year green card. And most people do this with their spouse, especially if they're in a happy marriage, right? You can go there, you can do this with your spouse. But not all marriages last that 2 years. So what happens then? So there are different ways for you to apply for that 10-year green card on your own without the help of your spouse. One of these ways is if there is abuse in that relationship. And that, of course, does not have to be physical abuse. It can be emotional, verbal, mental abuse, right? So you can apply for that 10-year green card based on an abusive relationship, right? If your spouse is not going with you, you can still be married to this person. You may still be married to this person. We actually recently got an approval for somebody that was still married to their abusive spouse because they wanted to help take care of their child. They wanted to live with that spouse and help take care of that child, even though the relationship was abusive. So there's no requirement that you leave, but for you to get to that 10-year green card, at least it gives you the opportunity to think about leaving. And many people in abusive relationships are not able to think that far ahead, and the government recognizes that. Okay, so if we can help you go from a 2-year to a 10-year green card on your own without the help of your spouse, if you're in a situation that is unhealthy, reach out to us. We can help you secure that 10-year green card. If you're eligible, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States.